Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a guest to your Notion workspace, and just as importantly, how to remove one if you ever need to. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to securely share your Notion pages with collaborators, friends, or anyone who needs access, while keeping full control over who's in your workspace. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, let's add a guest to Notion. Maybe you're working on a shared project or just need someone to review your notes. Notion makes this pretty easy. So, in your Notion workspace, look up to the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. This is your hub for controlling who can get into your page and how much access each person has. Once you've clicked Share, you'll notice an option to Invite by email. This is the most direct way to add someone as a guest. Just enter their email address into the field provided. Now, take a quick moment to double-check that spelling. Nothing's more frustrating than inviting the wrong person or realizing you missed a letter in someone's address. After the email's in, simply hit Invite. Notion will send your guest an email with all the info they need to jump in and begin collaborating with you. If this part seems to take a few seconds, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a minute for the invite to land in their inbox, especially if they've never used Notion before. But maybe you don't want to invite someone by email. Perhaps you just want them to view the page. Or you need to share something with a larger group without adding each address one at a time. In that case, you can also generate a shareable link. You'll see this option right in the Share menu as well. Click Copy Link, and then send it however you like. By text, by Slack, by carrier pigeon. Okay, maybe not that last one. It's great for situations where you need quick collaboration, like sending meeting notes after a brainstorm session or sharing a resource list with your study group. Just be aware, anyone with the link can view the page, so only use this when you're comfortable with the privacy level. Now, let's say your collaborators finished up their task, or maybe you need to tidy up your guest list. Notion gives you full control to remove guests at any time. Here's how you do it. Head over to Settings and Members. You'll usually find this by clicking on your workspace name in the sidebar and then choosing Settings. From here, locate the People section. This area is like your guest book. You'll see a list of everyone currently invited to your workspace, along with the email addresses you used. Spot the guest email you want to remove, then click the three little dots next to their name. This opens up a mini menu, and from there, select Remove. Notion will instantly revoke their access, so you don't have to worry about lingering permissions or stray edits. If you feel a second of hesitation here, that's absolutely normal. Removing someone is easy to undo. You can always re-invite them later if you change your mind. And there you have it, adding and removing guests in Notion, step by step. It's all about keeping collaboration easy and secure, whether you're working on a big team project or sharing your personal notes with a single trusted friend. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up and drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion guides and productivity tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.